So, hey students, welcome to NCERT Solutions by Vedantu. This is Baswaraj. I'm your biology master teacher. On this channel, we find solution to all the problems which is given in your NCERT, and we are here for you. And today we have a question from the chapter Biomolecules. Now, let's read the question first. That's question number 9.4. So, what does the question say? Find out and make a list of proteins. So, they are asking us to make a list of proteins. Remember, protein are a type of macromolecule used as therapeutic agents. So the proteins which can be used for therapeutic reasons, find other applications of the proteins. They're asking you find out the different applications of proteins, such as in cosmetic industry, right? Proteins can be used in cosmetic industry. Example, serum is used in your cosmetic industry, face serum, hair serum. Now, similarly, we have to make a list of different types of proteins used in different industries as well as different functions of it. So, the first one which I have for you here is your thrombin and fibrogen, right? Thrombin and fibrinogen. Thrombin and fibrogen are a type of protein which are responsible for your blood clotting. So we know every single time we get a cut on our hand or anywhere perhaps, and that cut can result in bleeding. But soon after some time, you notice that the bleeding has been stopped. That is, there is extra covering there. Now that is because of the thrombin and fibrogen which aid in the blood clotting. So let me write down here, they aid in your blood clotting. Blood clotting. So the next one, right? The second one which I have to write here, which I have here is antigens. That's right, we can produce antigen. Antigen is also a type of protein. Remember that, antigen or even antibodies, right? Antigen and antibodies. Now, where are they useful? Remember, in blood transfusion, unless there is a particular match of antibody or antigen, the blood transfusion can be very difficult. So in those situations, we use a protein that is your antigen or antibody during the blood transfusion. Let me write here, blood transfusion. Now third one, I'll write couple of 3 to 4 I'll write, and then you can make the, perhaps in the comment section you can let me know what are the other therapeutic proteins which you have come across. The next one is insulin, the most famous one, the insulin, which is also in your biotech chapter which you'll be learning in your class 12th. The insulin. Now insulin is a type of protein which is initially isolated from your pigs and cattle, but later on this protein was manufactured with the help of biotechnology in a bacteria called as E. coli. And remember, in the same insulin we have 3 types of chains: A chain, B chain, C chain, where we remove the C chain and we use A and B chain, and which has a disulfide linkages. But what is the function of insulin? Remember, insulin helps in regulating the blood glucose level. It maintains the blood glucose level. So I'll write down here, insulin maintains what? Blood glucose level. Blood glucose levels. It maintains the blood glucose level. Now, if there is enough, not sufficient of insulin, if there's a insulin level goes down, that can cause a disease called as, let me know in the comment section. Let's start with the, what is section? Let me know in the comment section what exactly it is. I'll give you a hint. It is a type of diabetes. Yes, it is a type of diabetes, but we have multiple types of diabetes. We have diabetes mellitus, diabetes insipidus. So let me know in the comment section which type of diabetes do you get if there is less amount of insulin in your blood. The fourth one is renin. The fourth one is other type of protein which is renin. Now renin helps in osmoregulation. It helps in osmoregulation. So those are the different type of proteins. Except these proteins, we have a lot of enzymes. Remember, enzymes are also a type of proteins. There are a lot of enzymes which have a lot of variety of function. So what are the main function? Main function of any enzyme is lowering the activation energy, but we have multiple type of functions and multiple type of applications. So students, if you have any enzymes which can have a particular role, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you there. So I'll meet you next class, and take care students.